then, Nige?
I'm making us a cappuccino.
Cappuccino.
Do you want a cappuccino?
I would love a cappuccino.
Would you like something to eat?
What are you making then?
Because I always do everything. I made pasties earlier. You obviously don't know I made pasties.
Where was I when you made the pasties
I don't
then?
know where the hell you was.
Oh,
But I
right.
made pasties. Do you want a pasty?
I don't know.
But I made it's lovely looking pasty.
I fancy something cooked, not cold.
I don't know if I can cook something. He cooks himself.
I usually do.
Seriously. Anyway, I'm going to have a pasty that I made. I'm going to enjoy myself.
Okay.
What are you going to do?
I think I'll just do myself.
Do you want to join me?
I think I'll just do myself an omelette wrap with cheese and onion.
Oh, the one I taught you to do. I taught you how to do that omelette.
Yeah, that one.
That's the one. Yeah. See, I'll film you doing it then. See if you can do it as good as me then, is it?
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Me and Nige have come back to the Valleyvan now from the NEC for a spot of lunch. So we wanted something quick and fill in so we can get back in. So this is what I'm going to do. Do you want to watch me? Right, first off, gas on. Bit of butter. Let that melt. Crack 2 eggs. A bit of salt, pepper in it. Now I don't want this to be too hot because it's got to be done over medium heat, so bear with me. Just give them a little thin. Right, it's going to be an omelette it is, omelette wrap with melted cheese and onion inside. So I'm going to chuck a few onions in by there now, as I like a lot of onions and Nige does as well. So they will be in with the egg as well. So once your onions have softened a bit, like I said, it's going to be a low heat, medium heat. You're going to put our eggs in. Now the Valleyvan is on a bit of a slant, so all my cooking is going to be on a bit of a slant, I think. Let's move these onions around. So you leave that there now. Try and level it off a bit. These are very enjoyable, these are. So once you start seeing that take form then, tortilla wraps. I got the herb type, but you can use any type you like. I did have to cut it down a bit because it's not the size of, it was too big for my pan. Once that have set a bit, then you add the wrap on top like that. Leave that then for a while, well, till the egg sets more. No.
Turn the heat up, teacher.
So give it time now for that egg to set, and then once it's set a bit then and we're able to flip it, we'll warm the other side of the wrap up then. Right, so I'm going to flip this now like that, so that we're warming the tortilla wrap for a few minutes there. From the back one, it's more even on the back one. Still on a medium heat. Looking nice already. There we are, so that's warmed up for there now, I think enough. I'm going to flip it back now and then we're going to put our filling on. There we are. So we're going to put some lettuce, like that, cheese, and some onion. Onion, is it? There we go. A bit more cheese, I think, on top. So got to watch, don't do it too big. Then fold it over like that. Back on the medium heat now again, so that the cheese will melt in the wrap. So give that a few minutes for that to melt. And just flip it if you need to flip it then, to keep both sides warm. Flipped now. So it's all nice and warmed, and that cheese is all getting warmed up. Like I said, it's quick and easy, don't take 10 minutes. You've got to keep it on the moderate heat. Oh, I think that should do it for me and Nige now. There we go. Alright, just cut it through the middle. There we are, and that's how it looks. All melted, looking lovely. So this is my omelette
Wrap.
My omelette wrap with lettuce, cheese and onion. And I know what Nigel's going to do now. He's just going to top it off with a bit of red sauce. So let's crack on.
So that's what you call a wrap.
Shall we wrap it up?
A wrap. I get it. Oh, no matter.
Nice. Quick and easy when you're in the van in it, and
Lovely.
it is
Hot.
nice. It's hot, is it? Okay, dogs, right.
We can enjoy this now, so adios.